Hello, everybody. It's Jodi. I hope your new year is off to a great start. I decided that I wanted to come on and share with you the cards that we will be making at my Celebrate Sale-a-Bration event that will be January 29th here in Frankenmuth. It's actually going to be held at the Frankenmuth Credit Union. There's a community room in the lower level there, so parking will be easy to access. There's a morning and an afternoon session. There's a few spots left in the morning, lots of availability for the afternoon. But I just wanted to come on today and show you these 10 cards that you'll be making. So I'm just going to show each of them to you, point out a few things. You're going to be seeing tons of new products here, and our new mini catalog and Sale-a-Bration brochure start tomorrow. So very exciting. On this one, you've got lots of new designer paper, little embellishment, ribbon, cute little Valentine's card. This one here, this is actually some tissue paper. So I'm going to show you how you can kind of wrinkle that up to get that texture on here. Some new designer paper and dies there. This one is a fun Sale-a-Bration set, which means you can get the stamps and the designer paper free with your qualifying order. And I love the fresh freesia color. It's such a gorgeous color. This one here is so cute, so cute. Another Sale-a-Bration option there. Just some detail like the stitched rectangle, a little bit of designer paper. I don't know if you can see, but that birthday hat is just popped up, cut out and popped up on a little Stampin' Dimensional. This one I just think is so stunning. I love this stamp. I just stamped it. I didn't have to do any sponging or anything. That's just how it looks when you stamp that image. I did it around the background here, so it's tone on tone, and then on the shimmery white. Not sure if you can see the shimmer, but you can probably see the sparkle of that coordinating vellum that's behind that layer, and it's just a really, really simple but stunning card. This is another Sale-a-Bration option, just a fun little stamp set with some different vehicles on there. I like the brick embossed layer behind there too. This is actually colored with watercolor pencils. I should point out this one was Stampin' Blends, the alcohol markers. This is watercolor pencils. This is a sweet, simple card, again, with some gorgeous new designer paper. I absolutely love tulips, always have. And so that paper and the color combination, it's Pool Party and Poppy Parade, and I just love those colors together. This is another gorgeous designer paper, another free option with Sale-a-Bration. You're going to have a hard time choosing during our Sale-a-Bration promotion because there are so many great options for you to pick with your qualifying order. But this daffodil designer paper is definitely one that's going to be on your list. This is another, so if we pull this back, it's that same stamp that I did on the background here as I did here. And then I stamped the bird. And then you can see how it's colored and shimmery just a little. That's all Wink of Stella. So I just added some Wink of Stella to give it that shimmer and blending of the color. New designer paper there. And then this little guy is just really sweet too. So those are the 10 cards that you make with your registration fee for my January 29th event. There's also going to be some demonstrations, some displays, lots and lots of card ideas, special offers, and door prize. But I need to clarify that because when I put out the information initially, I put door prizes, but I kind of changed my mind. Everybody is getting a door prize. So in your packet that you get when you arrive, you're going to have your supplies to do all these cards, and your door prize is going to be right in there with all of your supplies. So every single person gets a door prize. So in addition to this, so this is the main Celebrate Sale-a-Bration event, but I'm also offering 3 optional classes, and I want to tell you about those right now, and I'm so excited. This Rainbow of Happiness is a new stamp set that's in the mini catalog, and it's got these coordinating dies, which are a lot of fun. So the optional class, the Rainbow of Happiness, includes the stamps and dies. This is, I think the bundle was about $44. And you know with Sale-a-Bration, you need a $50 order to qualify for the free product. Well, I'm doing something special. This coordinating designer paper, you can see all the fun rainbows that it coordinates with that bundle. This is one of the Sale-a-Bration options, And even though your order is only $44, that bundle, you're still gonna get this free. And that's only during this optional class. It's not throughout the entire Sale-a-Bration promotion, but when you register for my optional class, the Rainbow of Happiness, you'll get the stamp set, the dies, and the free designer paper. Plus, you're going to make these 3 cards, which I just love. So this is the rainbow glimmer paper that's in the annual catalog. Use the dies to cut that one out, added some texture. This I just love. I'll show you how to do that fun background. And then this sweet one here. So that class fee includes the stamp set, the dies, the designer paper, and supplies to make these 3 cards. That's optional add-on class number 1. The second one is our chalk pastels, and you've seen me probably demonstrate this card, pop-in pastels, where you stamp in Versamark and then add the chalk. You're going to make a total of 3 different cards. There's this one and 2 others, plus you're going to get to take home the chalk pastels. So you'll have the product to take home with you, and you'll have some experience and samples in using it. The third and final optional class is the Abstract Beauty. And with this class, you make 10 cards. First of all, let me flip through these envelopes. They're all fun. They're all different. Just really, really fun. Abstract, definitely. And I'm just going to flip through these cards really quickly too, so you can see the cards that you'll make with this optional add-on. Now, some of you might be asking, can I do this by mail? Do I have to attend in person? This particular class, this optional add-on, would be very easy to do by mail because all I did was add a stamped greeting in black, and you can use any greetings that you have. The chalk pastels are something that you could use your own supplies. I can't stamp anything for you in the kit, so if you have stamps and different inks, Versamark ink, you could definitely do that on your own. This one, again, you could certainly do it on your own as long as you have the ink that I used, which is just some Versamark, black, 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 and then these few colors here. But you don't have to do those exact colors. You could do your own colors and make your background coordinate with the colors you choose. So I feel like all 3 optional classes absolutely could be done by mail. Now, when you look at these, the 10 basic cards that are part of this event, I mean, you can do it by mail, but you just have to understand that yours won't look exactly like mine unless you have all of these exact stamps. So if you did this one by mail, for example, you'd get the card, all the card stock. You'd get the designer paper here, but you would have to stamp your own image on the background, your own image on the white piece. Maybe it wouldn't be a bird with flowers. Maybe it would be a birthday cake. It could be anything you want. So you would get all of the cardstock, all pre-cut. You'd get the ribbons. You would get the designer papers. But what the actual stamped image is, you would have to provide yourself. So hopefully that makes sense. So you are welcome to sign up to participate by mail. There would be an additional fee to send you the package. And again, just realize that you have to use your own stamps and ink. So there is a registration link. I'm going to post it in the comments here. You can click that link to register and then pay with PayPal, Venmo, or send a check if you need to. Registration deadline is January 15th. That's a firm deadline because I have to have time to get all these awesome projects prepped and ready to go for you. So the basic class for Celebrate Sale-a-Bration, and then 3 optional add-ons. If you have any questions, be sure to let me know, and I hope to see you at our January 29th event. Thanks for watching.